What's up, guys? Welcome to 101 Possum Point here in beautiful Gaines Bend at Possum Kingdom Lake. This super private gated community in this beautiful home with this maximum size dock. This is the Lake Enthusiast dream home. This dock has two huge boat slips to fit even the biggest vessel, and you've got this beautiful grandfathered in walkway. Guys, this thing is so long that you have this beautiful sandy beach up here at the house, but this assures that this dock is always in super deep water. Let's go check it out. I've said it once and I'll say it again. Lake enthusiasts know a great lake home is made right here at the shoreline. Guys, look at this beautiful sandy beach right here. You've got this nice stonework done, retaining wall to keep any of that soil from eroding out. And guys, once again, I want to stress this walkway. That dock is in such deep water because you have this grandfathered in, super long walkway. You get the best of both worlds at this property, a deep water dock and a nice, gentle shoreline. Let's check out the pavilion. A beautiful yard. I mean, this yard is just perfect. You get the cornhole boards out here, all the games. I mean, look at these views. You're looking right across at the exclusive harbor community. Beautiful shorelines, nice calm waters, protected from that harsh afternoon sun. You are gonna spend all of your time right out here. Guys, this is the perfect covered outdoor area. You've got the outdoor kitchen here. You've got the dining room table. Can you imagine dinner with the family with those kind of views? Everybody else is hanging out over here. You've got outdoor furniture, places to sit, TV to watch the game, and guys, get this. This lake home is a year-round lake home. You've got an outdoor fireplace, and come see my favorite part. Who doesn't want to get in that hot tub? Come on. When the winter season comes and it's too cold to get in the lake, this hot tub is the perfect getaway, and it makes this lake home not only the perfect summer location, but the ultimate winter getaway as well. Let's go check out the inside. Come check this out. Guys, this is the perfect lake life floor plan. You've got it set up so that you've got the adults staying on one side over here in the bedrooms, and the kids staying over on this side in a game room right in the middle. The kitchen area is totally connected to the living space, and everywhere in this house, guys, has a beautiful lake view. That's how you know it's a great lake home. Stainless steel appliances here in the kitchen, a perfect island area for prepping food, lots of space for making those big meals. Guys, this house has inside entertainment, outside entertainment, and is the perfect area to enjoy the long summer evenings or even the winter times here at the lake. You got this super spacious foyer area. You walk into your lake home. Guys, check out the game room in here. You've got this awesome poker area. Big couches for when everybody's tired from being out on the water to come in and crash. Lots of areas to sleep. This is the perfect kids area. Dartboards, multiple bedrooms, bathroom with a shower, and their own access to the outside area so the kids can stay up late and the adults can go to bed. Let's go check out the main side. 3 bedrooms on this side, 2 guest areas in the master in here. Guests have the hall bathroom, which services the living room of the house. You've got this nice big master suite with its own private bathroom for the guests to stay. Everybody's comfortable with their own space. Everybody knows the first thing you get after your new lake home is a whole bunch of lake toys. What better place to store them all than this extra tall garage? You can stick the boat in here, all the toys, and everything is kept perfect for the next season. Talk about the perfect super tall carport area to put your tower boats under during the winter. Guys, don't miss out on your opportunity to own this Lake Enthusiast dream home. Contact Possum Kingdom Real Estate today.